career changer, so IT was completely new for me, but at the same time, it's exciting. And once I learned more about Red Hat, it was like, okay, this is awesome.
The Red Hat Academy at Fayetteville Technical Community College is an excellent opportunity for any student of any background. It gives them the opportunity to come to an institution like ours and get hands-on training from a proven open source vendor and get the curriculum straight from the source.
The Academy is one of our strongest assets of our program. It gives our students some of the best material and real-world material to help prepare them for the job sector of all the classes we have. When it's all said and done, this is exactly what they need to help them prepare for the workforce.
Getting immersed into Red Hat and understanding all of the technologies that they offer, it definitely gave me a upper hand in understanding a lot of the IT technologies that are out there today.
You're learning server administration, you're learning containerization through OpenShift, automation through Red Hat Ansible. But alongside that is those soft skills that are frequently overlooked and in desperate need in the IT industry, such as critical thinking and troubleshooting.
So with prospective talent, as we're bringing them into the company, we look for a lot of fundamental skills. From a technology perspective, really understanding the industry. We seek out folks who have these skills, this hands-on experience, these certifications.
This is a unique opportunity for our students to get the credentials such as Red Hat Certified System Administration.
They're hands-on. They're working in a cloud-based lab environment meant to mimic that true working environment. And so students not only get to learn the curriculum from Red Hat, but they get to put it into action.
I definitely see the benefits of being a part of the Red Hat Academy. It definitely prepared me for the work that I'm doing at Dell Technologies. I feel like I came in and I had an advantage because I already had that basic foundation of Linux.
It's true competitive advantage to get involved, understand the technology. That's the kind of employee I want to have here at Dell Technologies.
Seeing one student succeed is phenomenal, but whenever you see student after student after student find success in the same yet slightly different ways, this tells you one thing: it's proven, that it's working. That same philosophy applies to our students. And so the collective whole just proves that the Red Hat Academy is changing lives and bridging that gap.